Life cycle of Spirocerca lupi. Life cycle is indirect as there is involvement of intermediate hosts such as dung-eating beetles, and chicken, rat, frog, lizard, etc. can act as the parasitic host. So the final host for these parasites are different canines such as dog, fox, wolf. Infective stage, that is L3 stage, will be developed in the dung beetle. If these dung beetle are ingested by any of the parasitic hosts mentioned here, L3 stages will be encysted in them. Then this parasitic host will act as the source of infection for different final hosts mentioned here. So the adult parasite will be found in the esophageal granuloma. There are commonly 1 to 4 nodules in an affected dogs, and there may be several worms in each of the nodule. Within this nodule, female parasites will lay larvated eggs, and those eggs will pass through an opening made into the mucosa to the lumen of the esophagus. Finally, these eggs will be passed to the environment with the feces. In environment, L3 stages will be developed in the dung beetle or coprophagus beetle. L3 stages may also be found in the parasitic host, as I mentioned earlier. Final host, that is dog, fox, different other canines, will be infected after ingesting the dung beetle with contaminated food and water or any parasitic host containing L3. Then these L3 stages will penetrate the stomach wall, migrate, and finally reach to the aorta through gastric arteries. So these L3 to L4 stages will be occurred in the wall of the aorta. It is also mentionable that the immature stages, that is L3 or L4, can migrate to the different other organ of the body, such as thoracic, urinary, or gastrointestinal organs. So 3 months after ingestion, L4 stages migrate to the wall of the esophagus, adjacent esophagus, and mature there. So in summary, the adult female parasite will lay larvated eggs, and these eggs will pass through the feces in the environment. And L3 stages will be found in coprophagus beetle or in different parasitic hosts mentioned here. So upon ingestion of the infective stages, L3 by the final host, L3 stages will penetrate the stomach wall and reach to the aorta, where L3 to L4 stages will be occurred. And as I mentioned earlier, after 3 months, L4 stages will migrate to the adjacent esophagus, and mature parasite will be found within the granuloma. So usually, an adult Spirocerca lupi can survive in the final host for more than 2 years and can shed their eggs for a long period of time. So for the completion of this life cycle of this parasite, it takes around 6 months.